Hello everyone, welcome to Jason's Programming Lab. In last class, we have learned how to install a C compiler. So, how many of you have installed in your computers? So, because today we are going to learn how to write a code, compile and execute a C programming package. So, are you ready? So now let me write a simple program in C. Okay, let's start with a text document. Let's open it. Program to display a message. So this is called a comment. So it is useful for every programmer to know what we are writing. If we give this program to other developer, he will know, okay, this program what we have wrote is to display a message. The code which we have written is to display a message. So we are telling the other programmer to understand. Okay. So let me write a program now. A simple program which is displaying a message. Not enough user, let us continue. After writing a program, we have to save it. We have to save this file in .c extension file. Okay. Now let us go here and to open a command prompt, we just have to open this folder, and at this path let us type cmd and press enter. You can go directly to command prompt. So what is the instruction we have to give to the command prompt to compile a C program? It's simple. gcc hello world.c and enter. Now we see the program has been compiled and it has given an default an application with a default name as A. Okay. So let us execute it. Just click the application name and press enter. This hello world. Now we don't want this default application. We want our name, which we want to keep that application name as. So let us type our own name. Application name. Let us type our own application name. Okay. So for that, I want to just do some changes in the program. Hyphen O is to tell the command prompt or the compiler to create an application name which we are going to describe it. So let us put the name as hello world and press enter. Now see, an application name which we have entered is being shown here. So to execute, just type hello world and see a program has been executed. Right. Now let us understand the process. Okay, how this program, let us understand the processes of this program. Okay, we have written the source code. This is called source code. This is an editor. So Notepad is an editor for us. This is command prompt where we are giving an instruction to compile our program and execute the program. Okay. So let us understand the process in depth. So let's do this. Right. So stage one, what we have done in stage one, we pick an editor which is a notepad. For example, notepad, and we wrote a source code in it. Stage one is to write a source code in an editor. Okay. And wrote a source code. And what is stage 2? Stage 2 is compilation. Are you sure? So we are compiling the program. Let's see. No, I don't want to. I'm doing this. Let us see. The program gets compiled or not. No, it is not compiling. It is giving me an error. So let us understand this error. In function main, okay, in function main, it is a warning implicit declaration of function printf, which is output. We are displaying an output. We are giving an input and we want the program to give this as the same output. Okay, printf, and it is giving us what is it? To include this file stdio.h to provide a declaration for printf. So this is a declaration statement. Printf is a declaration statement. So we have to include stdio.h because this is a built-in function. Printf is a built-in function and it is a declaration statement. So we got a warning like this. So that was so with this inclusion, let us see now. So it is finished. So what is stage 2? It is not compilation. Stage 2 is known as process. What is it? It is the very first step before compilation. Are you sure? Okay, compilation. So what is it? Compiling the program. For compiling the program, what it will do, it will go to the source code and before connecting to machine code, it gets triggered when it sees hash statement. Okay, It reads and includes the content of this declaration statement, and it includes in this file. It reads and includes the content of the specified file into the current file. So this process is called file inclusion. It will remove comments after processing all the necessary activities. It generates a pre-processed file with modified source code. This file contains a code ready for the next stage, which is actual compilation into machine code. So what is after this? What is the next stage? The next stage is compilation, right? Compilation. Compiler creates an object and stores in this way. So there is stage 4. Just understand this. In further classes, we'll know about the stage 4. In this case, linker links the object code with the libraries and generates executable. What is stage 5? It is loading the executable file and getting the output, right? So in every C program, these are the 5 stages it goes through. So please understand this, and in further videos we will know how the object code is written by the compiler and how the executable application, this application code is written in machine code. Okay. So thank you. We will end this class now.